Have you ever wondered why your stomach makes that loud growling noise when you're hungry? That sound actually has a name, borborygmi, and it's totally normal. Your stomach and intestines are always moving, using gentle squeezing motions called peristalsis to push food, gas, and liquid through your digestive system. Even if your stomach is empty, your brain tells it to keep moving and get ready for the next meal. When air and liquid move around inside, they bump into each other and make that growling sound. And because there's no food to block the noise, it sounds even louder. So, next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, don't worry, it's just your body working hard and reminding you it's time to eat.